Experience the natural beauty of forests with stunning sea views and an abundance of gorgeous birds. These forests serve as a sanctuary for various species of birds, providing a peaceful habitat for these magnificent creatures. As you walk through the forest, you will be surrounded by the sounds of nature, and as you reach the edge, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of the sea. These forests are a great way to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and connect with nature. Don't miss out on experiencing the beauty of these forests. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos celebrating the beauty of our